Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Lenovo Tab E10. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And here click skip introduction. Now you can set your Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you have to sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.